Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to our another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to make text warped circle in Microsoft Word. Let's get started. Firstly, we write something in this document. Then select the text, click and drag on our mouse, then go to the insert menu, then click word art drop down menu, then choose any word art. Now I select the word art, then go to the format menu and click text effect, then choose transform, then find and select the warped circle. Here this warped circle and we select this. Then resize the box to see this warped circle more than better. Now we can see here we make text warped circle very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.